Got 5 minutes? Let's do an arm workout together that's gonna get you feeling toned, tight, and lose any of that excess flabbiness. And the best part is you don't need any equipment at all. Let's go. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing a 5-minute weightless arm sequence. Now, I know that especially as we get older, if you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond, it's really important that we incorporate strength training into our workouts. So, of course, a good, well-rounded fitness program is gonna use some weights, some body weight exercises, using some resistance. However, you can absolutely get a great workout without using any weights at all and just using your body's own resistance. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. These are great when you're short on time and you just want to get those arms tight and toned. So let's get into it and I'll see you on the other side.
Okay, let's start with our arms up above our head here. I want you to just inhale, squeeze, and up, squeeze. That's it. 3, squeeze, breathing. 4, squeeze, pulling in your abs. 5, that's it, good. 6, 7. You feeling your mood boosted? That's the best thing about working out, right? Instant mood boost. Now stay here, smack it down, smack it down. So keep those elbows high, okay? We're not changing the height of the elbow at all. That's it. And 2, beautiful. 3, good, keep going. 5, 7, 8. Let's do that pull down again. We go up, pull it down. Up, really squeeze. 3, really intentionally squeeze. And you're squeezing your abs too. That's it, we got it. 6, keep going here. 7, woo! And 8, beautiful. 2 more. Feeling that love, right? Stay here. Press it down, smack it. 3, keep those elbows at shoulder height. 6, beautiful. 7, 8, 9, let's do it again. And down, down. Woo! 4, good. 5, that's it. You got it. This is your time. 8, 9. Okay, good. Bring those arms out to the side. One palm is up, one palm is down. And you're just gonna flip it, flop it. Getting a little bit of standing abs here too. Good. 4, keep going here. 5 and 6, your arm's on fire, right? 7, we're working all the way around the arm, wrapping around it by doing this movement. And good, you're gonna do it again. Oh yes, you're welcome. And 2, good. 3, keep going. 4, whew. 5, keep those shoulders on your back. 6 and 7, good. 8, 9. Now just to the first side, up, 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 palm up, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we're gonna do it again and up. 2, 3, keep those ribs knit around your rib cage. And 7, 8, are you ready for the other side? Yeah, you are, let's do it. Up, palm up, palm up. Ooh, 4, keep that other arm up, don't drop it, I see you. And 8, smile. 9, do it again. And up, up, whoo. 3, good. 4, 5, beautiful. 6, 7, 8, 9, back to alternating. So we go boom, 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 palm up, good. 6 and 8, breathing. 9, do it again, keep it out of your neck, keep those shoulders on your back. 3, 5 and 7, 8, 9, okay, good. Bring your arms forward. Pull the elbows back behind you. Really squeeze. We'll really focus on the back muscles here. Forward, squeeze it. Forward. We want to look good in the front and the back, okay? Squeeze. And this is one of the areas that you all tell me that you want to focus on, right? Is the back, you know, around what we call sometimes the back fat, right? We don't like to talk about our bodies that way, but you get what I'm saying here. Forward, squeeze. Forward, squeeze. Good. Forward, squeeze it. We're not arching our ribs here. Forward, squeeze. 3 more. 3, squeeze. Beautiful. 2, and last one. Okay, good. You're gonna go here and in and out. This is what I like to call the scarecrow. In and out. That's it. In. Keep those elbows high so you're just hinging at the elbow. In and out. In and out. In and out. That's it. Good. I'm moving my hips just for rhythm. 2, good, keep going, 3, whoo, and 4, I'm sweating, are you? 5, hearts if you're sweating, 7, and 8, good, 2 more, 9, we're putting all those pieces together. Now stay with your pinkies up, circle, 2, 3, oh my gosh, 4, I know your shoulders are on fire, mine are too. You're not doing it wrong, you're doing it right. 8, 9, reverse it, keep those pinkies up, 2, 3, beautiful, 4, 5, woo, 7, 8, 9, flip it so your palms are facing forward, circle backwards, 2, notice how that just different angle, how it hits differently, right? And 8, reverse and circle, woo, 3, 5, 7, 8, we're not done, palms down, circle, 3, 5, yes, 7, 8, 9, reversing, circle, 3, ooh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wasn't that so great and challenging too, right? So this was a workout that was pulled directly from my fitness membership, Total Body Transformation. It is the most incredible community of women from all over the globe that really want to get fit, want to make their health a priority, and want to look and feel their best at any age and any stage. So this was just a little 5-minute sneak peek of the full-length workout that you'll find inside of Total Body Transformation. So if you want to check us out and join our community, we'd love to have you. The link is down here below this video. We'll also leave it up here. We'd love to welcome you into our community and celebrate your success next. Now, before you leave, I want you to join me over in this video next. This is another little 5-minute sequence using a resistance band. So we've gone weightless, now add a little bit of resistance in it too, and I know you're gonna love it, so I will see you over there.